What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to drop you a quick message as to what's going on today at 2 o'clock. All of you guys have a Youngevity account. Some of you are active, some of you are not. Some of you ordered last month, some of you did not, but it doesn't matter if you did or not. We can always order this month. I urge you guys the importance of getting on an auto ship, getting at least a healthy start pack every single month at your doorstep. It's free shipping. If you have any problems understanding how the auto ship works or going to your website and setting it up, let me know. Just reply to the email or catch me on Facebook or call me, text me. Most of you guys have that number. I'm also going to make a video on just exactly that here probably today or tomorrow and get it out to you guys. But this message is for the email that I'm sending out today. There is a training that was set up here over the conference, well, over the last few months, but it was released during the conference last month in San Diego. And it is what's it called? Star School Training, or Star School Community is the website. So if you go to Facebook.com group, Star School Community, which you see the link there, just like the page. So Cheryl Morley and what's his first? Paul Croto are doing a training. They've put together a training system for new reps who want to build a business or who just want to be able to talk to other people about the what Youngevity has got. And folks, they've got a lot. I mean, we've got a lot of products. We got the CBD coming. We got the best health and nutrition program period out there anywhere. The best products. These products work like nothing else, and I've been around this business for a long time, taking supplements myself personally, and giving supplements to my clients to help pick up the slack where the nutrition leaves off. And I've seen that it's only gotten worse. So as far as the nutrition that we can get out of our foods anymore, so it's important for everybody to be supplementing at worst, at least with the Healthy Start Pack. I mean, guys, it's $4.33. I apologize for the phone. $4.33 a day. A day. If you can't afford $4 a day for your nutrition, for this type of nutrition that goes into your body to maintain health, then I'd have to say that you enjoy being sick. That's the only thing I can say. $4 a day, guys. $4.30. Even if it was $5 a day, hey, it's $5 a day that you're putting towards your health and the best products you can get into your body to help you heal and get better and feel better. I mean, even if you're sick at this point, this helps with the change of diet. A lot of people change their lives, but you have to want it yourself. It helps a lot of people lose weight on the weight loss program, but you have to do it yourself. You have to go in there and want it and continue and not stop and not have these bad days or bad weeks and take the product every single day like your life depended on it. I mean, that's the only way you're going to see changes. But anyway, I'm going on a little bit of a rampage, a little bit of a rant. This is not about that. This is about the training today. So go to Star School. For those of you guys who have time, it's free. Might as well go to starschoolenroll.com. You'll see the link right there in the email. Click on that. Register your information so you're enrolled into the class, into the school, and check it out. I mean, it may be for some of you guys. It may not be. I think if you do want to build a business, if you want to get to know what Youngevity is all about, this is the ticket. This is the deal. This is a good these guys do a good job putting trainings together. I've seen some of their trainings in the past, and they're pretty good. The bottom line, it works. It works for them. It works for others, and it can work for you if you put in the effort. So it's all about what you want out of this program. So I just wanted to send you guys a quick message to let you know what was going on, and I will continue to stay in touch via email. Also, don't forget to join all the Facebook groups, Everyday 90 group, the pet group. If you do not know these groups, just contact me. Don't be afraid. 813-455-7252 is my number. Send me a message. Send me a text, and I will reply ASAP. I work for Youngevity full-time from home. I'm here for you guys to help build a business or just to get you healthy, just to get you some information on, on a product that you may need for a particular illness or particular disease, or someone in your family that has health issues. We can help get that turned around fairly quickly. Normally between 30 to 90 days is the numbers that you throw out there. If you attack this thing hard, you can see huge changes in less than 90 days. All right, guys, I will stay in contact with you. Please get on this training today. Stay in contact with me. Don't forget your auto shipper to place an order this month for your products. Continue to take it. Don't have these gaps of 2 or 3 weeks in between. Always order your products at least a week before you're about to run out. Don't forget to take the stuff every single day. Every single day. This is why we call it Everyday 90. It's important. It's hugely important. It's going to make a difference in your body. If you take this correctly, give it a little bit of time, let it soak in, but you also have to make those dietary changes, guys. Without those dietary changes, you're going to be better, but you're going to run into walls. You're going to run into walls because you cannot continue to feed your body the toxins and the poisons that are in some of these foods. They've got to go for you guys to see the change. But jump aboard. Get on this this training here today at 2 o'clock. I'm not sure if I mentioned it. 2 o'clock Eastern time today. All right, guys. Appreciate your time. Thank you for listening. This audio went on a little too far, but got my message across. So stay in contact, and we will talk to you soon. My name is Joe. Bye-bye.